Let's go on to checking your answers. Same as usual, if you made a mistake, put in an X and make sure you fix the spelling. If it's correct, give yourself a check. One more time, if it's wrong, give yourself an X and put the correct spelling. Okay, let's go on to the answers. Number 1, believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Number 2, coach. C-O-A-C-H. Number 3, cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H. Number 4, brain. B-R-A-I-N. 5, train. T-R-A-I-N. 6, paint. P-A-I-N-T. 7, pie. P-I-E. 8, niece. N-I-E-C-E. 9, boat. B-O-A-T. 10, float. F-L-O-A-T. Dictation was, I will look at the moon. I will look at the moon. I will look at the moon. Make sure I is capital and you have a period. Number 2 was, this is a wood boomerang. Capital T with a period at the end. This is a wood boomerang. If you would like, and you got everything correct, you can put a score there. 2. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Make sure you keep this test, because once you get your notebook back, what you're going to do is you will glue it in. So don't trash it, please. Make sure you keep it somewhere safe. We're going to go on to spelling words for week 5. Let's read the words together. Moon, roof, shoot, look, hook, wood, wool, boomerang, afternoon, balloon. These are words with double O, ooh, moon, roof. For this week, you have to be careful because there's one new thing we want you to do. This part is the same where you have to draw the picture or write the word. This part is the same where you practice. This part is new where you have to write parts of speech. That's like if it's a noun, you will write noun, or if it's a verb, you'll write verb. Let's do one example. Everyone should know this word already because we're studying it in science. Draw a picture of the moon. Moon, is it a name of the thing or is it an action? It's a name, so it is a noun. You write noun. And then you can practice. Hide. Hide. Like that. For parts of speech, if you don't know, one good place to look is in a dictionary. For example, we'll find the word roof. In the dictionary, right here, and next to it, it tells you what it is. This is a noun, so you know roof is a noun. Sometimes words are not just one thing part of the speech. For example, This is not this week's word, but here's an example. Hopeful can be an adjective or an adverb. Once those come up, we can discuss which one we use more often, or we might have both on there. For this week, though, they should be pretty simple. First, study the words, and then write part of speech. Most of them should not be too difficult. Names of something or something you do. If you don't know, somewhere to look is a dictionary. If you don't have one of these kind of dictionaries, you can look at online dictionaries too, though. They're pretty helpful too. After you're done with this, you're going to write sentences on this paper where it says week 5 sentences. The first one was week 5 list. This is week 5 sentences. First word was moon. Write moon. And write your sentence. You can use 2 lines. Finish both papers and send a photo of the sentences so we can see it online. Make sure you don't lose your test list and sentences, because one more time, I'll tell you, once you get this language art notebook, you will glue it in. So don't lose these papers. Okay. Have fun!